Hi guys, this is the banana recipe that I promised, and these are the ingredients that I'm going to use, and of course the star of our show are baby bananas. And I got this recipe from my grandfather. He used to always make it for us when we used to go visit him in Puerto Rico. So we start off with some flour, we add 1 egg and some scallions, then we're going to add all our seasonings: sazon, adobo, seasoning salt, garlic powder, and a little bit of sriracha powder, and we're going to mix that up until it looks like a pancake batter. Once we have that into a pancake batter, then we're going to take our bananas, peel them of course, and we're going to dust them with some flour, and look how cute they look. Then we're going to take some hot oil, let it heat up nice and hot. Then we're going to dip our bananas into our batter, and we're going to put them in slowly and carefully. And then this is how they look when you turn them around. And then we're going to take them out and put them in a paper towel so they could drain all the extra oil. And this is the finished product. Delicious.